What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you I can upload to both YouTube and Twitch, or stream on YouTube and Twitch at the exact same time.
And show you the way I feel. You made my love go.
So the website you gotta use is Restream or Restream. Basically, Restream.io is a software, as you can call it, but it's an online website software where you can turn on and off what you want to use for your streaming. Like, it's telling me to go to my OBS, and basically what you use it for is that you can make your stream show up on YouTube and Twitch at the exact same time. First, you guys, you want to pick your area so you can use auto detect. Auto detect an area for your stream to be well put out to your platforms. Then the other part is stream key. You can highlight it, do it whatever you want, but I'm not going to show you guys that because I don't want you to have my stream key. Basically, you take that key and you put it into OBS, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. Another thing you can do is change the titles of what you want to use. So basically, this is like, the big name right here of my YouTube channel, but like that's like the URL identification. But basically, this is the name that my stream is going to show up as, and this is what's going to show up for everyone else. And you can change that for all your other streams between YouTube and Twitch and all these other platforms that people stream on. Now, for social alerts, you can set up connected to your Twitter and your Facebook and put that you're about to stream and press update. It will send it to your your Twitter and your Facebook, and everyone will know that you're streaming on both YouTube and Twitch. Now, this is monitor. The monitor shows you like what you've been streaming and how long you stream for. My first time using Restream, I streamed for an hour and 39 minutes, basically an hour and 40, and it was really good. It's really no latency, basically. It's really nice. Now, this is the chat feature. You can download a chat or use web chat. All you basically do is when you download the chat, you can make that window show up on your computer or show up on your OBS. And for web chat, you just take that URL and put it into the browser source on your OBS so you can see the chat there. This mixes the chats between the Twitch and the YouTube so you can see both at the same time without any struggle. Now, when you get onto OBS, all you want to do is go to output, or not output, but stream. You want to click where your stream keys should be, and you want to paste what the new key is and press OK or apply. Then you can stream on both YouTube and Twitch at the same time. Alright, guys, so that's how you stream on YouTube and Twitch at the same time. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer it for you. Let's hit at least like 5 or 6 likes on this video. Very simple, very easy. We're on the road to 500 subscribers and 100 followers on Twitch. If we get both of those, I'll be doing the hoverboard giveaway, so make sure you guys enter that by liking and subscribing down below and following my YouTube and subscribing to my Twitch. Anyway, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you have questions, like I said, comment down below. I might do some more OBS tutorials, and see you next time on my channel. Peace.